Changing perspective of gender roles in population. We see that stereotypical beliefs about gender roles are changing gradually. People have started accepting that boys and girls are equally capable. Girls can also excel in education and profession. There was a time when people could not accept the idea of their daughters working outside home and spending their income to support the family. But today, things have changed, or they are changing. Today, the number of working women is on the increase. Working mothers, working daughters, working women. The idea that only men are the heads of family, or they can be the heads of family, that is also changing. There are many women who are heading their families and running their households independently. It used to be believed that women cannot do justice to the household affairs if they are working outside home. That is also changing. This perception has changed in many ways. Today, people have seen that working women can run and look after their household too in a very organized manner. Women are heading multinational corporations and national organizations. They are joining even the most unconventional professions, which people could not think of. For example, becoming a fighter pilot. So, what has brought about this change in perspective? Women themselves and their like-minded fellow men and women have led to this change. Women have proven their capability in all walks of life, as high-achieving students, as successful professionals, as excellent entrepreneurs, as effective social activists, intellectuals, researchers, scholars, surgeons, doctors. They have proved it. In attaining this status, they were supported, of course, by their fellow men and women who believed in women's ability and their right to excel. So they joined hands, and we today stand at a point where we can say that we are very close to gender equality, gender parity.